Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi connectivity issue on any iOS 16 devices. Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on iPhone and iPad after iOS 16.1 and iPadOS 16.1 issue is very annoying because it's occurring frequently and renders the device almost unstable. Let's go for quick setup. First go to device settings. Select privacy and security. And go to Location Services. Select System Services. And turn off the networking and wireless. Go to Wi-Fi settings. Select the connected SSID and turn off the private Wi-Fi address. It will solve the issue of Wi-Fi in iOS devices. Hope this video helps your concern and thank you for watching.